The Butterfly Foundation was founded to maximize the positive impact of travel. Travel allows us to explore the world, open our minds and everything, but it also comes at a cost. We have to acknowledge that we are having a negative impact when we travel the world, but the Butterfly Foundation is trying to use travel as a tool to mitigate climate change and also to be a vehicle for lasting positive change. I was inspired by the 1% for the planet model, where we take 1% of our revenue and we give it back to nature. The national parks really loved it because they could achieve their mission of protecting nature, protecting the sea eagles, and our customers loved it as well because they were paddling in their rafts, seeing the sea eagles being protected. So it was really a win-win for the locals, the customers, and also us as a company, and that's how the Butterfly Foundation was born. When a small butterfly flaps its wings at the Brazilian rainforest, this tiny action can create a huge storm or whirlwind across the globe. So, small actions can have a huge impact over time. That's what we're trying to prove with the Butterfly Foundation, and that's the power of 1%. We started with 31,500 euros in 2023, and that morphed into 85,000 in 2024, and now for 2025 we have already raised 270,000 euros that can go to direct impact in the field. This year we are sending 10 volunteers to the Iceland Trail. We're sending our guides the week before the season starts to go there and help maintain the trails, build the drains, repair the stairs. And when they bring the customers over the trail, they can say, hey, you're walking on this trail, you've helped fund this repair on these stairs that I helped build last week. That's why we're donating most of our money to grassroots activists and small local initiatives who are truly making a tangible difference in the field. There is still so much more work to do. I think being a small part in this and giving back with all the resources we have, we will see that on the long term, the impact compounds over time, just like the butterfly effect. I'm really hoping that it can be a small inspiration for people to make better choices, responsible choices, because all our actions have consequences, and it's good that we think about what we do and why we do it. It's not easy. We don't always think with every move we make. It's not easy, but yeah. So I'm hoping this will inspire a lot of people.